I've got 4 shovels here, and I wanted to talk about how sometimes an old shovel is better than what you can buy in the department store. You don't get shovels like this. So, beautiful old shovel, very much worth restoring. Let's get to it. Alrighty. There's the head handle. Took a good bit of grinding. Now we can start cleaning it up. I thought I would show at one of these big box stores kind of what they have. For a spade shovel, we're looking at 25 bucks for some pressed steel cobalt. Makes it look nice and tough. Fiberglass handle, $25. Let's see. Looks like, that's funny. So it looks like about the same shovel. Classic strength, but with a wood handle, double riveted. And it's 22. Trooper, and this is $14. Says tempered, it's pressed. These are the kind of shovels that my wife bought that totally didn't last. I got this one that's 20 bucks. Again, pressed metal. It's thick, but again, this is like pressed garbage steel. There we go. $9. So again, it says tempered. This one is super thin and really cheap fiberglass handle. And looks like the same shovel head, but this one with a wood handle. No varnish, which is nice. But I mean, you can even see the pressing shaping of this. That head is not going to last. The handle will. A better handle. For spades, that's about it that they have here. So, we got handles. The handles probably are good. Yeah, better buy than the shovels though. I was kind of hoping they'd have some like higher end nice solid shovels, but they really don't. I showed you all of the spades that they have here. I was really hoping they would have something that was better. So if that tells you the quality of the shovels that they have, what does that mean for the rest of the tools that they have here? So I'm just on my way home. That was really disappointing. there was not a single shovel there that was worth buying. They were not worth anything. The $25 one maybe had slightly thicker pressed recycled steel, but the fiberglass handle, it was just garbage. There was nothing worth buying there. The fiberglass ones, you couldn't replace the handle if the handle broke, but I think the head probably would have broken first anyway, so maybe that's the mindset. The only thing that was worth buying there at all was the wood handles, and yeah, it was nice that they were ash or hickory are so much nicer than anything else, especially the fiberglass handles. So big letdown. I was at least hoping there'd be at least one shovel that would be worth buying, but I guess not. So I've still got quite a bit of pitting, but I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna keep it oiled and leave it as is, and we'll get it painted up. I think I'm going to go with the old handle, make it just a little shorter, see if we can match it up. If I put it in right now, it's already a little tight. I wonder if clamping it in the vise has tightened it up. It has. It's tightened it up a little bit when I've clamped it in the vise. So this is what I was doing. The handle has been shaped. It's not perfectly symmetrical. There is, so I had put it in where the top of the spade was on this side, and there is slightly more of a taper here than there is on this side. So when I put it in reverse, it was stiffer that way. So this way is stiffer. If I put it in perpendicular, I may get nice. That is a snug fit. All right, let's see. This is what I'm going to be using as the pin. That's looking good to me. I'll leave that drying like that. All right, shovel's done. Turned out quite nice. It's ready to be used. Like I said, this is going to be a user, not a decoration or anything. We got a nice edge on that. That's not too sharp, but sharp enough. Cleaned up, remounted, re-riveted. The rivet cleaned up really nice. And marked with my colors. So when working with the scouts, it can be identified. Yeah, great old shovel. Also No more wobble inside there. Still got the old handle. I had oiled it before. When this is dry really well, we'll maybe put a few more coats of linseed oil on it. But that shovel is good. I love it. Turned out nice. Beautiful shovel. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and get out there. Work on your tools. Use your tools. This was a fun one to make. Also, remember to turn on the bell so you get notifications of new videos. Thank you all.